In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new estimate style in QuickBooks Online Advanced and customize it. We'll walk through where to find the settings, how to set up your template, and what each customization option means so your estimates look professional and on brand. First, open QuickBooks Online, Advanced, and log into your account. Once you're in, look to the upper right corner and click the gear icon. This is your main hub for company-level settings and form preferences. Under the section labeled Your Company, select Custom Form Styles. This page holds all your templates for invoices, estimates, and other sales forms, and it's where you can create and manage different looks for different situations. Next, click New Style, and from the drop-down, choose Estimate. Picking Estimate ensures that everything you design here will be available specifically when you create estimates, not other forms. Give your new estimate template a clear, memorable name, something like Standard Estimate Blue Theme or Detailed Estimate Services. A good naming convention makes it easier to select the right template later. Now it's time to customize. Start by adding your logo. Use a clean, high-resolution image so it renders crisply on screen and when printed. This is a simple way to reinforce your brand with every estimate you send. Choose your colors and fonts to match your brand guidelines. Stick with colors that have enough contrast for readability, and opt for fonts that are professional and easy to read. Consistency across documents builds trust and helps customers recognize your business at a glance. Add EFT or payment details to show customers how to pay once they approve the estimate. This could include bank transfer information or brief instructions about your accepted payment methods. Keep it concise and include only the details you're comfortable sharing with clients. If needed, add a stamp, signature, or QR code. A stamp can indicate internal statuses or special notes. A signature line adds a sense of authorization or approval. And a QR code can point customers to a payment page, your website, or a terms and conditions link. Make sure these elements are placed neatly so they don't distract from the estimate's key numbers and descriptions. When you're happy with the design and details, click Save. QuickBooks will store this as a reusable template, and you can come back to edit it anytime. Finally, when creating a new estimate, select this template to apply your customizations. That way, every estimate you send will reflect your brand and the information your customers need. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching. Thanks for